Balochistan has been specially blessed in terms of tourism. There are tremendous, very beautiful sights the people will enjoy. So I request all the investors, all the visitors from Pakistan and outside Pakistan to visit Coastal Highway, Mokran Coastal Highway. Enjoy beaches in Kundmalir, the most beautiful beach of the Pakistan. Pakistan International Maritime Expo and Conference is scheduled to be held from 10 to 12 February 2023 at Karachi Expo. All the concerned stakeholders, especially the business community, are requested to ensure their presence, visit the Balochistan Pavilion and enjoy the event, and also ensure investments in Balochistan. Thank you very much.